Question number 4. Cells are the basic unit of all forms of life. 4.1. It is an A1 question, and this question is from eukaryotes and prokaryotes, plants and animal cells. Describe 4 differences between a bacterial cell and a plant cell. The model answer is bacterial cell is smaller than plant cell, which is very easy for the students to remember. Bacterial cell doesn't have any nucleus, but plant cell has nucleus in it. Bacterial cell does not have chloroplast, whereas plant cell has chloroplast to do photosynthesis. Bacterial cell has plasmids, which are circular rings of DNA, whereas the plant cell does not have plasmids. The extra information or extra point student can write or remember is the bacterial cell does not have a large permanent vacuole, but plant cell has a large permanent vacuole. 4.2 is an AO1 and AO2 combination question, and this question is from vaccination and communicable diseases. Gonorrhea is a bacterial disease. A new vaccine is being developed against gonorrhea. Describe how a vaccine would work to prevent gonorrhea. This question is related to vaccination and communicable diseases. The important informations are already highlighted. That is about the disease, which is caused by bacteria, and the vaccine is required for the treatment. First of all, students must know the importance of the vaccine. So, a vaccine consists of dead or inactive organisms which are actually injected in the body of the human. These dead or inactive microorganisms stimulate the white blood cells in our defense system or immune system, and these white blood cells start producing antibodies to fight against these microorganisms. When a live pathogen or microorganism enter in the body, the white blood cells have already exposure of these pathogens or microorganisms, so they can easily produce a large amount of antibodies to fight against these microorganisms or pathogens. These antibodies kill the pathogens or reduce their population, which can produce less toxins in the body. Let's see the model answer. The model answer is a vaccine consists of dead or inactive microorganisms which are injected in the human body. These dead organisms stimulate white blood cells to produce antibodies. When a live pathogen or microorganism enter the body, the white blood cells have already exposure of these pathogens or microorganisms and produce antibodies in large quantities. These antibodies kill the pathogens or reduce their population growth. Another disease caused by bacteria is Salmonella food poisoning. In the UK, chickens are vaccinated against Salmonella bacteria to reduce the number of cases of food poisoning in humans. 4.3 is an AO2 question, and this question is from bacterial diseases and communicable diseases. Explain how vaccinating chickens reduces the number of cases of Salmonella food poisoning. If the chickens are already vaccinated, therefore there are less chances that these bacteria can transfer into the human, or less bacteria will pass to the humans in the food. Therefore, less toxins are produced in the food or in our body because most of the chickens or the eggs are already vaccinated. So, vaccine killed most of the bacteria or reduced their population. The model answer is there are a few bacteria in chicken or eggs because vaccine killed most of them or reduced their population. Therefore, a few bacteria will pass to the humans in the food. Or the student can write the other option, a fewer toxins are produced in the food. So it will reduce the chances of food poisoning in the humans. 4.4 is an year 1 question and it is from bacterial diseases and communicable diseases. Give one way the spread of salmonella food poisoning from one human to the other one is controlled. Do not refer to vaccination in your answer. The question is spread of disease from one person to another person. So it is a communicable disease. The student can't use the information of the vaccination in their answer. Therefore, the person needs to wash the hand before cooking or after using the toilet. The person doesn't need to shake hand while cooking because this disease can easily spread from one person to another person because it is a communicable disease. Let's see the model answer. The model answer is wash the hands regularly before cooking or after using the toilet. The other option student can write do not shake the hand while cooking. 4.5 is an EO3 question. The student needs to give the reason. This question is again from the same topic of bacterial diseases and communicable diseases. The number of cases of salmonella food poisoning is usually higher in summer than in winter. Suggest one reason why. The information is given that the food poisoning is higher in summer than in winter. In summer, the temperature is higher than winter. So, this temperature is quite favorable for food poisoning. Let's see the model answer. Warm weather is very favorable for the growth of the bacteria, and bacteria can grow in a number very quickly. And chances of food poisoning is very high in summer than in winter.